Hello friends, today we are going to see the rest of the sum of exercise 2.5. It's of decimals. Okay, now I think that you understand about the decimals, how to put decimals, how to add decimals, etc. Okay, now here are the, I think that fourth sum is what we have to continue with. Okay, here look, expressing kg. Now in the last class only we see that what actually the kg means. Okay, kg, that is kilo. Okay, kilo means 1000, I told, correct? Kilo means 1000. So here it is in gram. When we are gram to kilo means you have to divide it by 1000. Okay, so that here it is 200, okay, gram. 200 gram means, okay, what it is? We can say it as 200, okay, divided by 1000. Okay, so in order to convert it into the kilogram, you have to divide it by 1000. So that much kg. Sure. So that what it become? So it become, when now the point to be shifted to this side, how many? 1, 2, 3 zeros are there. Correct. Here 3 zeros are there. So 3 zeros, 3 points to be shifted here. Here now the point is here. Correct. So it become here. This after 2 any number is there? No there. So we have to put 0. So 0 point is 2. Now then here any now 2 more 0. Now there is no value for that 0. Okay, so that you can write it as kg. This much only. Understand? Okay, like that. The next one, look, it is of 3470 kg. Sorry, gram. Okay, that is equal to what you have to do? 3470 upon 1000. Correct? Okay, that much gram. Okay, so which equal to, sorry, here it is of kg. Sorry, okay, kg. Okay, so which is equal to, now this 3 points again we have to shift here to 3 plus 1, 2, 3. Okay, then after 4 the point will come. So 3 is there. So now you need to put 0 there. So 3 point, what it will come? 4, 7. Okay, after 0 is there, but for that 0 no value. So that it is kg. Sure. Okay, like that. So it is easy. Okay, now like that, next is of 4 kg. Okay, 8 gram. Correct. Now here we have to convert into, okay, what it is? The kg. So now here we can say 4k, 1 is already in kg plus. Now 8 gram. 8 gram means 8 upon 1000. Correct? Okay, that much kilogram. Okay, so it become 4 plus, okay, that is 4 kg plus, okay. Now look here, now here 4 place to be shifted here. Now any point is there here, only 1 is there, so that we have to add zeros. So 0, now how many point? 1, 2, then 3. 3 means 8 will come. Okay, that much kg. Understand? So what is the answer will be? It will become 4 point. Now while adding 008 kg, it will come like this. Understand? Okay, now the next is what it is. Now it is simple. That is the fourth one. Okay, that is 2598. Correct? Upon that much mg. Okay, now it is of milligram. Now milligram means first we have to convert it into the gram. Then only we can convert it into the gram. Okay, so which is equal to, okay, it is 2. Okay, milli means upon 1000. So again 2598. Okay, upon 1000. Okay, so that it become gram. Sure. So which is equal to, now again 30 to be shifted, 2 point, okay, 598. Okay, that much, okay, gram. Now this gram we have to convert again into the kilogram. Okay, so which is equal to 2.598 upon, again what you have to do is 1000. Okay, so it will become again this, from here we have to shift 3 place here. So what it will come? 0.2 more zeros we have to, so that now 2 more zeros, well 2 it is. Okay, 2, okay, 598. Okay, that much kilogram. Okay, it will come like this. I hope you understand it. Okay, so okay, here, okay, like this. So while, okay, you understand? Okay, now you can do it like this. Yeah, here the last sum, here it is of a gram, milligram actually. Here on mistake is there, so it become gram. Okay, so it become gram, so it become gram. Okay, here the gram it is. So while it is of again 2.598 upon again what will come 1000. Okay, so the answer is 0. What will come 0.02598, that much kilogram. Okay, it will come like this. Okay, rest of the thing you can do like this. Okay, sure. Here you understand, make the correction, it is gram in. Okay, here also you will get gram. Okay, then you have to further, this is of gram. When you are divided by 1000, then here it is of kilogram will come. Understand? Like that. So, okay, you can proceed. Yeah, then the fifth question. Now write the following decimal numbers in expanded form. Now expanded form, you know that. Okay, from here, that is for example, okay, first one, okay, that is of 20, okay, 0.03. Okay, now how will you write? Here it is the unit place, it is the tens place. Now which is this place? It is 1 upon, okay, which place? 0. Okay, which is the 3 is 1 upon 100th. Correct? That is 100th place. Okay, it is of 10th place like that. So it is of so how will you write it as? While expanding, you will write it as 2 into 10. Correct? Okay, that is 10th place. 0 plus 0 into 1. Correct? Plus, okay, now here it is 0 into 1 upon 10 because it is a 10th place. Plus, okay, 3 into 1 upon 100. Sure, like this you have to do. Okay, the next is the second one. Okay, so what is the second one is? Okay, second one is it is of 2.03. Okay, how will you write? 2 into 1 plus 0 into, now it is 1 upon 10. So 1 upon 10 plus, here it is 3 into, what it is 1 upon 100. Correct? Okay, now the next one, third one. Okay, what it is? 200.03. Correct? So 200 means it is unit 10,000. Correct? So it will become 2 into, okay, sorry, unit 10 and 100. It is 100. So 2 into 100 plus, okay, 0 into 10 plus, okay, 0 into 1 plus 0 into 1 upon 10 plus, okay, 3 into 1 upon 100. Okay, like this you will write. Understand? Okay, last one look, it is of what it is 2.034. correct? Okay, how will you write it now? Okay, 2 into 1, correct? It is the unit place. Okay, it is 1 upon 10 place. Okay, it is 1 upon 100 place. Okay, and it is 1 upon 1000 place. Correct? So that how will you write? Plus 0 into 1 upon 10. Okay, plus, okay, 3 into 1 upon 100. Okay, plus, okay, 4 into 1 upon 1000. Sure, like this we can expand it. Understand it? Sure. Okay, any doubt? Okay, you ask. Then so you can do it like this. It is legible. Okay, it is not much legible. Okay, I think, but you not to understand it is fine. Okay, but you can do it like this. Understand here? Look, it is of 10. Okay, like this. Okay, see here plus. Now here again you must not have to put point here. It is only the 0. Okay, now here also you know that it is a 0 here. Look here, even the point here, point will not come here only, because when you put divided by 10, the point automatically will come. Understand that you have to take care. Okay, so like this. So you can take the screenshot and do. Okay, it is better you while doing here only you do. Okay, if you are having any doubt, okay, then you can look at here. Okay, if you don't understand my handwriting, okay, then you can use this. Okay. Then the next part. Now here find the place value of 2 in, okay, the following decimal numbers. Okay, now you have to find the 2 decimal, okay, decimal number. Okay, write the place value. Now here the place value you are writing. First is, okay, what is the place value in the first one? First, the place is the unit, correct? The place value is the unit. Okay, now in the second case, here what is the? It is the tenth. Okay, tens place. Okay, and here it is unities of, okay, it is, look here. Now here, one thing, this is of tens. Okay, while writing about it is, okay, it is of tens place, correct? While writing here it is, you have to write here it is this one. It is what called it is of tenth place. Okay, like this you will write. Okay, and here it is 2 is again it is 100th place. So what, how will you write? Okay, 100th. Okay, th you have to put. Okay, 100th place. Here it is 1000th. Okay, here third place. Okay, this 1 upon 10, 1 upon 100, 1 upon 1000. That is you will write it as, okay, 1000th. Okay, th you will write. Sure? Understand? Okay, like that you have to write the place value. It is only the place value, in which place it is. Okay, that will you have to write. So here it is of tens place. Okay, here it is of units place. Here it is of tenth place. That is 1 upon 10. It means that 1 upon 10th place. Okay, here it is 100th. That is 1 upon 100th place. Okay, here it is okay, 1000th. That is 1 upon 1000. Sure? Okay, like that it is. Understand it? Okay. So it is, the answer is like this. Okay, ones, tens, and the hundreds and the thousands. So okay, yeah. Here you can put, okay, units. Okay, here the 10. Okay, tens. Okay, and the tens. Okay, yes, you can add. Okay, understand? Okay, like this. So understand it? Okay, we can proceed to the next slide. So here look, Dinesh, okay, went from place A to place B, okay, from there to place C. A is 7.5 kilometer from B. A is 7.5 kilometer. This is 7.5 kilometer, okay, from B, okay, and B is 12.7 kilometer. It is of 12.7 kilometer, okay, from, okay, C. Okay, then Ayub went, now first who is telling? Dinesh was telling. Okay, now Ayub went from place A to place D. Okay, and D and there to place C. Okay, now the Dinesh moved like this and Ayub moved like this. Now here what it is told is D is 9.3. It is of 9.3 from, okay, A, and C is 11.8, okay, kilometer from D. Okay, then who traveled more and by how much? Okay, now here what first we can say about the Dinesh. Okay, now Dinesh, we can say that the distance covered. Okay, now here the distance covered is equal to, okay, what it is of, it is AB, okay, plus what it is BC. Sure? Okay, so it become, what is AB is of 7.5 kilometer, okay, plus, okay, next is of 12.7 kilometer. Okay, now look how to do 7.5. Now 12 point. Now while adding, this point must have to come in the same row. Okay, now it is 7, okay, kilometer. Now while adding it is so 5 plus 7. What is 5 plus 7 is 12. Now here the point, the carry here it will become. Okay, so 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 2 10. Okay, carry here, so 20. So it is of what it is 20.2 kilometer. Okay, now next is of about who is Ayub. Okay, now the distance covered. What is the distance covered is? Okay, Ayub distance covered is, okay, we can say that it is of AD plus DC, correct? So what is AD is of 9.3 plus, okay, 11.8. Understand? So now which is equal to 9.3 and 11.8. Now you must have to understand this. Point must have to come together. Okay. Now here it is of 11, 1 carry, 10, 11, 1 carry, 21. So it is of a 21.1 kilometer. Now from this, while comparing these two, okay, what you can understand? You can understand that 21.1 is greater than 20.2. Okay, now the question is, okay, who traveled more? So we can, who is traveled more? We can write Ayub, okay, traveled more, correct? Okay, now the next is, okay, here, by how much? By how much means you have to subtract it, that is minus, here it is point, now we have to subtract it from 20.2, okay. Now here, okay, from 1 it is possible? No. So that from 1, okay, we are taking, it becomes 0, it becomes 11. From 11, 9, it is 9. 0, okay. Okay, it is also the 0. So it is, which is equal to, by how much? 0.9 kilometer. So, okay, Ayub traveled more. Okay, by how much? By 0.9 kilometer. Understand it? Like this you have to do. Fine? Got it well? Okay, so the answer is like this. Understand? So final answer you have to write like this. Ayub traveled 0.9 kilometer more than Dinesh. Okay, these are the steps. Okay, diagram also you make. Okay, fine. We can proceed. Yeah. So here the next. Look here. Here the Shama bought, okay, 5 kg 300 gram apples and 3 kg 250 gram mangoes. Sarla bought 4 kg 800 gram oranges and 4 kg, okay, 150 gram banana. Who brought more fruits? Now here the first is of, okay, fruits brought by, okay, Shama. Shama's, okay, total, okay, fruit brought, okay. What did it become? It become 5 kg, okay, 300 gram, okay, plus, okay, what it is? 3 kg, okay, 250 gram, correct? Okay, while adding, what you will get? 0, 5, again 5. Here it is anything carry? No. So that here it is of 8 kg. So, okay, Shama brought, okay, 8 kg, okay, 550 gram. Okay, now the next is of, who is the Sarala? Okay, okay, Sarala. Sarala's, okay, total, okay, fruit brought. Okay, is equal to, what it become? She bought, it is oranges, it is of Sarla bought, first is of 4 kg, okay, 800 gram of, okay, oranges and 4 kg, okay, 150 gram of, okay, banana. Okay, now here while adding, okay, what you will get is 0, 5, 9, that much gram. Okay, here it is again nothing, no carry forward. Okay, so here it is of 8 plus 4 plus 4, 8 kg. So this much gram of total food. Now the question, who brought more food? Now we can say that here 8 kg 550, here 8 kg 950, which is greater. Now we can say that 8 kg, okay, 550, okay, gram is greater than 8 kg, okay, 950 here. Okay, 950 is greater than, it is 550. Sure. Therefore, who brought? We can say that Sarala bought, okay, more. Sure. Like this it is. Understand it how to add? Okay. Fine. Now this is the answer. We can add like this. Here the little changes we converted. Here it is of a little converted into the kilogram everything. Okay, that is here it is written as 550. Okay, fine. Like that also, if you want, you can do. No issue in that. Okay, or like that also you can do. Here it is already done. This much only done. It's also fine. No need of this, because here also we can compare it. Okay. So Sarala board. Okay, more fruits. Sure. Okay, then it is the last sum. Okay, that is how much. Okay, less is 28 kilometer than 42.6 kilometer. It's very easy. Okay, it is a 42.6. Okay, minus 28. Now 28 means while putting 0.0 you have to do. This is very important while doing the decimal. This point must be together. Okay, according to from point you have to adjust it. Understand? Now here it is look 1.53. Okay, and 23 point. Now while adding 23.1. So how will you write? You will write 23.1. Like this you will write. Look, so that this point must have to come together. This point must have to come together. So here also the point must have to come together. So here it is 6 point. It is 10. Okay, 1. Okay, it is of 6 plus 1, 770. So it is of sorry. Subtract. It is how much less. Okay, how much less is. Okay, that means you have to subtract. Sorry. I added it. Okay, while subtracting 6 minus 0, it is of 6 only. It is of 6 only. Our from 2, 8 not possible. So okay, we are borrowing 1 year 12. Okay, to become 3. From 12, 8 it is of 4. Correct. From 3, 2 it is of 1. Okay, so that okay, it is okay, less than 42.6 kilometer by 14.6 okay kilometer. Sure. So the answer is this. Understand it? So just you have to subtract it. So final answer you have to write like this. Okay. So 28 kilometer is okay 14.6 kilometer less than 42.6 kilometer. Understand it? Very well. So that is about this exercise. I hope you understand it properly. Okay. Do practice. Okay. Many times. It is not like that just one time you copy it then it is over. Okay. Many times you have to practice. Okay. Bye. Have a nice day.